Hey guys, in this video, we are going to compare Wise Business and Revolut Business account. Wise and Revolut are both popular business accounts, especially for companies that deal with international payments. Wise is a simple and cost-effective option for sending, receiving, and holding money in multiple currencies. You can manage over 50 currencies, local bank details in several countries, and pay multiple employees or suppliers at once. The fees come when you send money, and the currency conversion fee is a small, upfront cost that depends on the currencies and payment method. Wise is known for being transparent and reliable, and it's easy to use for businesses that primarily need to handle international payments. The downside is that it doesn't allow cash or check deposits, there are no credit facilities, and support is mostly self-service. Revolut offers a more feature-rich experience. You can hold and exchange over 30 currencies, issue physical and virtual cards, and manage expenses. It also integrates with accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks, and it gives you more control over employee spending. Revolut can charge fees for some services and international transfers. ATM withdrawals have limits and cash or check deposits are not supported. The plans start with basic at £10 per month, grow at £30 per month, scale at £90 per month, and there is also an enterprise plan for large businesses. If your business mainly focuses on low-cost international transactions, Wise is a good choice. If you need more tools for managing spending, cards, and accounting, Revolut may be a better fit. Overall, Wise is suitable for small businesses looking for simplicity and transparency, while Revolut works well for businesses that want extra features, flexibility, and integration options. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.